everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new in here, my name is Daria. I'm an artist and I paint on clothes. I paint clothes mostly in my art studio, on the mannequin, but I challenge myself to create an artwork on the leaf model in the public place. I have just 2 hours to complete the artwork and I'm so excited because I don't have a time to transfer image to the clothing, so I will paint freehand. And also I will paint on the denim jacket, and denim is one of the hardest fabric for the painting. So I'm so excited, but I believe in myself. Let's begin! Thanks for watching, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. If you are interested in hand painting clothing, many unique clothes you can find in my Etsy shop. I put the link down below. If you have any questions, write to me. See you, bye bye.